Blessed day to all of us, and let's glorify God today. Sometimes the plans we make don't go the way we expected. We face delays, disappointment, and even closed doors. And we started asking, Lord, why did this happen? Why didn't it work? You see, what appears to be a setback to us often turns out to be a setup from God. God closed doors to direct us. He allows disappointment not to discourage us, but to prepare us for what He already designed. And we think it's falling apart. But God is actually putting something better together. Because when God sets you up, it's always greater than anything that you could have planned for yourself. His ways are higher and His purpose is bigger than your expectation. So dear brothers and sisters, don't lose heart over that delay. Trust that God, who sees the whole picture, is setting you for something greater. As it is said in the scripture in Romans 8:28, and we know that all things work together for the good of those who love God. Hope this helps and encourages us all. And thank you for listening. To God be the glory.